Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Moorish Cuisine. So lazy weekend means a healthy, yummy breakfast or a brunch. So today we had some paratha with Khageena and Nutella cupcakes. I will leave all the other links down below, but right now I'm sharing the recipe for Khageena. So for this Desi style scrambled eggs, first I heat the oil in the pan and then I add chopped onions. Just stir and mix until onions started to get softened, and then I add some chopped tomatoes. I will leave the ingredients list down below or on my blog post, but technically there isn't any exact ingredients, or you can add or subtract any other ingredient as well. Meanwhile, my tomatoes were cooking. I cracked some eggs and then seasoned them with salt and red chili powder, add some chopped cilantro and green chilies, and then whip everything together. And then when my tomatoes were fully cooked, I add that egg mixture in this cooked onion and tomato mixture, and on a very low heat I let it cook for like about a minute or two. And when you see like edges are starting to get firm, so with a very light hand, with a wooden spoon, I just try to bring the cooked part in the middle, so the rest of the egg will get a chance to get cooked and get the heat. Repeat the same process again, like after a minute or two, because my heat was on a low flame. And then when you see that they are ready to cook and you get a bigger chunks, just mix it again, and then that's it. Just mix and cook until all the extra water dries, and you can see that there isn't any raw egg and your eggs are fully cooked and firm. Then dish it out, sprinkle some chopped cilantro on top of it if you want, and then serve it with paratha or roti. I made this today for a brunch and my family thoroughly enjoyed it. Usually when I make it for my kids, I add some potatoes, or you can add some grated cheese as well for more flavor and touch. If you like this recipe, please leave me a comment or give it a thumbs up. And if you want to try something else, please let me know. I'll try to make it happen for you guys. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos and updates.